What's this?
It's 360.
Wow. Ay, nata. Okay. Wow, mag-vlogger ka na?
Oo.
Ay, ano yan? 360.
Kahiya naman.
Bola ng morning. Ponte to Galo. Galo to number 3. Wala. Ano pangalan?
Number 9.
Bola ng morning. Galo to Pontejón. Pontejón to Bernardo. 4-3. Ang lupit mo, boy. Ay, wait lang. Pa-check po ng score. 28. 28. Rashid! Wala! Rebound by Valin. Foul counted. Number 1. Who's number 1?
Sino foul?
Number 1.
3 points yung kay Bernardo, no?
Yes po, 3 points. Number 1 ang foul, Morning Club. Foul counted po ah.
So, 26 fouls plus 2 points plus counted.
Ano score po? 23?
23. Sino kayo nag-shoot?
Si Valin.
26.
Tama, 28-23.
Oo, okay.
Galo to NL. NL to... And out of bounds, bola ng Achilles. Torneo to Vasquez. Oy! Ingat lang tayo mga boys. Vasquez to Rashid for Churi. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pontejón, Dumerecho. Pontejón for 2. What a move by Pontejón. Score po natin 30-23. 7-point lead ng morning. Vasquez, Dumerecho, pero no good. Save by Valin.
Rebound niya, shoot niya.
5-point lead by morning. Bernardo for another 3 points. Back to back by Bernardo.
Hindi ko na sino nakasunod.
Hindi ko nakita. Rashid 2. Ano number niyan? Galo to NL. NL Dumerecho. And there's a violation, traveling. Nabaliktad. Anong pangalan? Number 6. Ano para number 6? Ayero. Nice defense by Morning. Rebound by number 1. Kuha ni Rashid to Tornea. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. Vasquez for 3, no good. Kuha ni Bernardo. And there's a foul. Number 30, Vasquez. Pangilang foul niya, be? First personal foul. Parang second niya na yan.
Hindi pa, isa pa lang.
And first team foul.
Si ano lang kanina yun.
Pontejón to Galo. Fires a 3. No good. Kuha ni number 1. Pontejón to Bernardo. Another 3. Wala this time. Rebound by Valin. To Tornea. Last 7 minutes. 8 seconds violation. And substitution. Ref, just a second. We have to enter those persons. So, okay na, te? Okay na? Okay.
Sige na.
Okay, let's go. Pontejon. Tulayon. 5 seconds. Number 23, Dumiretso. What a move by number 23.
Assist nila.
Yero. Ang galing nila yun talagang mag-steal. Pontejon. Black. Black by Yero. Bola ng Achilles.
Block ni number 7.
Yero, number 6 ata.
Ay, number 6?
Si Yero. Si Yero Pontijo de Casa. Yero to Vasquez. 15 seconds. Vasquez dumiretso. Nakakuha ng foul. Number 27. That's your third personal foul and second team foul ng Achilles. Substitution. Ay,
Morning.
ng Morning, sorry. Second team foul ng Morning.
Isa.
Perfect free throws for Vasquez. Layon, dumiretso. And there's a foul, number 7. That's your first personal foul
Second team.
and second team foul. What a move by Layon.
Sino assist mo?
Hindi, pasa, inbound. Steal by number 27. Pontejon for 2.
Sino nag-share na? 55 to 10.
Tornea. Time out. Achilles. Who's foul?
55.
55. That's your second personal foul
Third team foul.
and third team foul ng